I recently came across this YouTube video claiming you can make $28 every 10 minutes using just Google Translate, which, according to him, could add up to $720 in just 4 hours. Also found similar videos with millions of views, so it seems many people are interested in this method. Well, I got curious to see if it really works, so let's try it out. First, head over to Google Translate. Many of you probably know how to find it, but if not, just go to Google, type in Translate, and the site will pop up right at the top. Select the language you want to translate from and the one you want to translate to. For example, if you want to translate from English to French, type in "Good morning," and Google Translate will instantly give you "Bonjour." To select a language, click the drop-down menu and choose your preferred language. For instance, choosing Croatian will translate "Good morning" to "Dobro jutro." Simple, right? Now let's head over to CPA Grip, a platform where you can earn money by promoting offers that require people to complete specific actions. Here's how it works. CPA Grip has a list of offers that pay you whenever someone completes a small action, like clicking a link or entering an email. You don't need to sell anything, just get people to complete these easy actions and you'll earn money. You can get paid through PayPal, Payoneer, and international bank transfers no matter where you are. To get started, you need to create an account, click on Register, and complete this form. Once you're logged into CPA Grip, you'll notice right away that it shows real-time updates of people earning money. There are some people making hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Here you can also find offers that are working for others. When you click on Offer Tools and then My Offers, the CPA Grip will default to your own country. If I select the US, for example, the average payout for offers is around $2 per action. While that's not bad if you're aiming for big money, you'd need a lot of traffic to reach. Let's say $2,000. That's where this trick comes in. The idea is simple. Target offers that pay the most by choosing top-paying countries. For example, if you check out offers in countries like France, Italy, or Spain, and click on Payout to sort offers from the highest to lowest payout, you'll quickly see that some payouts in these areas can go up to $16, $17, or even $28, a huge jump from the average $2 payout. The reason is that fewer people are promoting offers in these countries, and there is less competition there. Now, to find the top paying countries, I'll select All Countries, and then click on Payout to sort by the highest to lowest. This offer for Norway has the highest payout at the moment. The third highest paying offer is from Italy. If you click on it, it gives you the details of the offer. It's a movie streaming website, and this is the link you'll promote. They'll need to enter their credit card information to start the trial, and you'll earn $16.68 for each person who signs up for a free trial using your unique link. So, the plan is to promote these high-paying offers in places like Italy, Spain, or France in their local languages. This is where Google Translate comes into play. I am going to select this offer to promote. I'll copy the link and save it in a Google Doc. The link is pretty long, which doesn't look good when you're sharing it with others. To fix this, I'll go to tiny.cc, which is a free tool for shortening links. Paste my link into the box, click to create a shortened version, copy the shortened link, and save it in the Google Doc. The next step is to drive traffic to our link, and the website he recommends is trafficadbar.com. I'll create an account, enter my name and email, and hit join. The first step is to add my link. I'm going to the Google Doc, copy my link, and paste it here. Hit add a website. Here, we need to create our ad. I'll go back to CPA Grip, click on the offer copy, the title, and paste it into Google Translate. I recommend setting Google Translate to detect language. This will automatically identify the language so you don't need to manually select it each time. So this is our title, Sign Up to Watch the Best Movies. I'll add it to my ad on the traffic ad bar. I will do the same for the ad line, copy and paste it into Google Translate. The first line says, enter your information to get started. I'll paste it into the ad line 1 field. The offer doesn't have the ad line 2, so I'll just leave that field blank. Then I'll select the language of the ad, which is Italian. Next, it asks what countries you want your ad to be shown in. I'll select Italy. What time do you want your ad to be seen? I'm going to set the ad to run for 3 days and hit save. Then it shows me a few pages, giving some information about how automated advertising works. I go through these pages quickly and click a few buttons, and when it's done, my ad is published. Now I'll have to wait a few days to see if it pays off, as this YouTube creator promised. While we wait for the results, let's talk about what we're actually doing here. We're basically promoting other people's products, right? That's called affiliate marketing. The smart way to do this is to create a landing page. This page explains the product and why someone should click on it. It's a much cleaner approach than just slapping a direct affiliate link everywhere, which can get flagged as spam. You might think creating a landing page is difficult, but there's a super easy way to do it. HubSpot allows you to build these pages for free. You can create up to 25 landing pages on the free plan. Just to be clear, this isn't a sponsored video. I'm just showing you HubSpot because it's a great free tool for creating web pages. Go to HubSpot.com and sign up for a free account. After you log in, you need to answer a few questions. What is your company's website? Let's say mylandingpage.com. And when you get to this page, select Marketing as your CRM template. Now on this page, go to the left menu and click on Landing Page. Name your page and hit Create Page. I am going to select this template, which is the most popular one and completely customizable. Click Install. Here is the landing page ready to be customized. You can change colors, text, or any elements of the page using the left menu bar. I am not getting into the details of customizing here, as this is not a tutorial for creating landing pages. I just wanted to show you the smartest way to promote affiliate links in case you want to try it. Alright, here's the update. 3 days have passed. I'm going to log in to Traffic Ad Bar. On the dashboard, I'll click on Websites and then go to Your Website. It looks like my ad has been blocked. I haven't gotten any views. The reason is that they don't allow links from the website I used. Well, the first thing I can think of is that the problem might be the shortened link. I want to quickly create another ad using the original link to see if it works. I save the original link in my Google Doc, I'll copy it and paste it here as my affiliate link. The rest of the steps will remain the same. I'll go to my offer and copy the exact title and first line from the offer page. The ad is in Italian and the target country is Italy. Hit Save. I'll go back to the dashboard to check if it's been accepted. You can see the same message. The ad is blocked, so the problem wasn't the shortened link. Well, I'm not giving up yet, as he claims that if I follow his method, I can make $30 every half hour. So I want to dig deeper to figure out where the problem is, whether it's the CPA Grip site, the specific offer, or the Traffic Ad Bar platform itself. I'm exploring every possibility and troubleshooting so you don't have to waste time to find out if this method can actually make you money. Now, I'll select a different offer, set up a fresh ad using the original link, and follow the same steps I used before. This time, I'll be keeping a close eye on how the Traffic Ad Bar responds. If this method works, it could mean the issue was with the specific offer. Alright, you can see it's blocked again, so the problem isn't with the offer either. CPA Grip is a legitimate site, and many people successfully use it to make money. What's become clear is that the method he's recommending in his video to promote CPA Grip offers doesn't work. We'll need to find a different approach to promote our affiliate link, as the Traffic Ad Bar website isn't the right fit for this method. One of the best ways to promote affiliate links is through Pinterest. It's really simple to create pins and add a brief description of the product directly on them. It's perfect for CPA offers with a short description. Here's a quick step-by-step. Use Canva to design a pin. Use Google Translate to translate the text. Use HubSpot to create a landing page. Place your landing page link in the pinned description. When people click on it, they'll be directed to your landing page. If they sign up for a free trial, you earn a commission. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that teach how to create pins to promote affiliate links. If you'd like me to guide you through the process step by step, just let me know in the comments, and I'll create a detailed tutorial for you. Also, let me know if you enjoy videos like this one, where I test out popular ideas and share the results step by step. This way, you can decide if they're worth trying without spending time on methods that may not work. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found this helpful, I'd appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care.